for trip number 4 for Food and Wine. That means I'll get my cutting board today, which I'm very excited. We are rushing over to the land because we got traffic and security twice. You know, when you park at the Ticket and Transportation Center, you gotta do security twice when you're coming to EPCOT. So Chris got pulled over twice to do the metal detector as well. So we're rushing over. We got fast passes at Living with the Land and Soarin', and then later we have the Spaceship Earth. So and we're gonna do some eating at Food and Wine. So let's get this adventure started. They had little signage showing the foods that they are growing here that they're using actively in Food and Wine that's going on right now here at EPCOT. So that was really cool. Now it's time to ride Soarin'. Let's take off. Now we're gonna get into some Food and Wine food booths.
Fire one here?
Yes. So there are gonna be some repeats because Chris has not been to all of my trips, but there's definitely gonna be some new stuff. All right, here at Flames of Fire we got the piggy wings again and the corned beef, which was really good last time we came. And I don't remember getting a slaw when I got the piggy wings, so it's basically like corned beef nachos. Wanna try? Whew, it's a busy day. All right, so Chris got the shrimp with garlic noodles, and then I got the duck bao. I put a little sriracha on there for a little spice. So let's do it to it.
Yeah, I took the tail off.
Oh, okay. I know noodle action. Good shrimp. Just tastes like a shrimp, nothing too exciting. That garlic noodle. That's good. Little chewy noodle. You like it? Love a good duck bao.
Good.
The duck flavor of the bao is super fluffy. Super fluffy bao, just bouncing back. So. We got the grapefruit beer last time Chris came, and it's really good. Like very strong grapefruit flavor. So even if you're not a beer fan, you'll definitely like this. So enjoy. open. All the panels are taken off the top. It is moving along. What?
I walk up there.
Yeah. Look at it. Get my cutting board. Open it up for me. Of course, it's super jealous. Let's see it. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm gonna serve my cheese and wine on it.
It's very nice.
It is very nice. Jealous. Let's get chocolate. So Chris has accepted the $20 challenge over here. Let's see what you got. Let me see. He's strategically placing them all. When you get some of those, mix it up. Thanks.
Challenge accepted.
How many do you think you have in there? Do you think you got your money's worth? You could probably put another one in there. So proud of yourself. We're all chocolate sugared up, so let's head to the Magic Kingdom. It's a madhouse here. I cannot imagine what the Magic Kingdom's gonna be like right now. So we're gonna
got my chalk cake.
Let's get going to Magic Kingdom. Popcorn and mosey around. It is a crazy busy day here. I mean, we're waiting in line for everything, food, and it's just for popcorn. At Pico Bill's, Chris got the nachos and the fajitas, which we've had before and are very good. So, but I've already gotten into this a little bit. And it's very good. It's sweet and spicy, and then I think there's like syrup on it as well, so you get a maple taste. It's very good. A little bit of crunch from the slaw. We're taking this Dole Whip to go. It's been a long day. Let's go back home and get back to the pups. So see you guys in the next video.